Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hello and welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today. The world of cryptocurrency continues to be a hot topic, with investors and companies alike looking for ways to diversify their portfolios. But one company that's been making headlines lately is Nvidia, the graphics card giant that's now taking a stab at the world of digital assets. Nvidia has made a move into the Bitcoin space by investing in this highly volatile cryptocurrency. Now, we know what you're thinking. Why would Nvidia want to take on such risk? The answer lies in the current state of global trade and politics. The Trump administration's plans to roll back certain Biden-era export restrictions on advanced semiconductor chips have had a significant impact on Nvidia's sales. That's right, folks. It seems that China was Nvidia's main buyer, and the new rule has hampered its sales by approximately $5.5 billion per quarter since 2025 Q1. And things are only getting more competitive in the chip market, with AI breakthroughs by Huawei and others putting Nvidia directly in competition. Now, let's dive into why Nvidia might see Bitcoin as a strategic move. By adding this highly volatile asset to its balance sheet, Nvidia could potentially stabilize its revenue stream. But is it worth taking on such significant risk? That depends on timing and urgency, especially given the recent developments that have alleviated some pressures on the company. The question remains, will Nvidia's investment in Bitcoin prove to be a smart move or a misguided gamble? We'll have to keep an eye on this story as it unfolds. In the meantime, if you're looking for more insights on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, be sure to follow us on Twitter and join our Telegram channel. But before we go, a word from our sponsors. If you're interested in learning more about trading signals and investing strategies, check out Insert Sponsor link. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more news and analysis. That's it for today's episode of Bitcoin Bulletin. Until next time, stay informed and keep on learning. In the world of cryptocurrency, volatility is a reality that many investors must accept. But Nvidia's move into the space has raised questions about its strategy and potential risks. One reason why Nvidia might see Bitcoin as a strategic move is due to the recent US-China tariff pause. This news led to an increase in Nvidia's stock price, promising reduced uncertainty and potential gains in sales and supply chain stability. On the other hand, adding digital assets like Bitcoin to its balance sheet may not be ideal for traditional investors who remain skeptical of cryptocurrency due to its short history and volatility. If Nvidia were to make such a move out of haste, it could potentially alienate long-time clients and drive away institutional investors. So, what does this mean for the future of Nvidia's investments? We'll have to keep an eye on how this plays out in the coming weeks and months. But one thing is certain. The world of cryptocurrency continues to be a wild ride that companies like Nvidia must navigate with caution. Let's take a closer look at some expert opinions on the matter. According to industry expert Greco, adding Bitcoin to Nvidia's balance sheet could potentially benefit its market perception more than its share price, at least until digital assets are more broadly accepted in mainstream finance. But what about other experts? We spoke to Patel, another industry insider who shares a different view on Nvidia's investment strategy. According to him, unless the Bitcoin allocation is significant, the impact on Nvidia's long-term share price is likely to be muted. So, there you have it, two differing opinions on Nvidia's move into the world of cryptocurrency. We'll continue to monitor this story and bring you updates as more information becomes available.